crazy. It's following it. It's like got a song in there. Hello? You want me to go around Europe building more of my crazy musical instruments? So I've got to build it out of junk found in each city all within 48 hours and then play it live? Bring it on! Can I bring Cosmo along? I'll be lonely without him. Go on then, what's the name of the show? JunkRockTV, let's go!
Hey, I'm Little Mum No Computer, and you're watching JunkRockTV. In this series, we're going to be cruising around Europe, perusing for junk. To make musical instruments out of course. Today, we're in Amsterdam, land of canals, cafes, cycling, and cows. So let's go. What are we waiting for? Oh, where's Cosmo? Come on, come on. Cosmo, how you doing?
Oh, are you in Amsterdam, Sam?
Yeah, actually, I am.
The windmill sort of gave it away. What do you want anyway, Cosmo? Very busy boy.
Well, yeah, I was kind of struggling of working out what Amsterdam is kind of famous for and where to go.
Well, you got windmills, tulips, canals, and that famous artist, you know the one, the guy that cut off his own ear. He's probably a fan of your music, Sam.
Let's keep on thinking.
Fine, fine. There's also a clock workshop you can go and check out.
Now you're speaking my language, Cosmo. Wholesome and fun for all the family. Let's go. Here we are at the clog workshop. Now that's a classic clog. Ooh, clog violin, an instrument made out of clogs. Look at all these clogs. I wonder how they're made.
So Vincent is going to show us how we make clogs.
This machine, the same system as duplicating keys. This part is gonna follow the model.
That's crazy. It's following it. It's like got a song in there.
Safety.
That is an amazing piece of engineering. It's like cutting cheese. That's a soggy clog.
Yeah, it needs to be wet to work with it. Hey Sam, here's your first clog.
Oh, cheers, man, thank you. I've got an idea. Yes, awesome.
I've got a clog and an idea, but I need more clogs. So let's go and find a flea market, shall we? I'm at the Amsterdam flea market. Let's go find some junk. Where are the clogs? Oh, nice. Ah, they're Swedish. Nah. All I need is a clog. Thank you very much. I got some clogs. So I've just bought this lovely jug for €3. That'll be nice for the clogs to hit. 1 clog, 2 clog, 3 clog. Let's go find some more. Hey. Ah, he's dusty. Good tone, but not quite cloggy enough for me. Can't be a bit of junk on a Sunday morning. I got 20 marbles. They're gonna go in the clogs to make a little bit of a shaker. Cowbells. Huh? Junk, glorious junk. Look at all the junk I got from the flea market. A milk jug filled with marbles. We got clogs, 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 and even more clogs. Not sure what to do with this, but it's beautiful. And of course, we got Ronald the beautiful teddy bear with Ronald's bell. Lovely. Here I am at the Steim Foundation in Amsterdam, who have been kind enough to let me use this workshop. Check out all this junk I've got. This is a little prototype I made earlier. We'll find out what that's for later. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. Let's have a look at the plans.
Clogs sound great when you're tapping them on the floor, don't they? But I've only got 2 feet. Where's the fun in that? So I want all the clogs. So I'm going to build some prosthetic ankle joints, 3D printed out of recycled plastic. I've got to get the right pivot point, so when the solenoids hit, we get maximum rhythmic velocity. They're spring-loaded, so after each hit, they return to their original position, ready to strike again. I've got all manner of things for the clogs to hit, thus creating a plethora of different sounds. These will be amplified by teeny-weeny little contact microphones. We've got Ronald the Bear and his big bell. We're gonna rip his arms off and give him animatronic joints made from motors. Easy, right? Then, of course, there's the controller clog, which I'll use to play in all the different rhythms for the separate clogs to play. All of this will sit on a lovely metal frame. Ooh! Sounds like a fabulous plan to me. Clever clogs.
Okay, so let's go. So I'm currently putting together the framework for the Clever Clogs. It's made from this stuff, extrusion, which is like a metal grown-up construction set. It's pretty fun. Boom! Time to cyber hack a new 3D piece. So I've just 3D printed this part that's going to connect into the clog and it's going to act as the ankle. You know the drill.
Kick it.
When in doubt, hit it with a hammer. I love you. I'm sorry I had to do this. I'm getting tired. I need a bit of a break. I'm going to go and have a look around.
Steim.
Nice. I'm here with Feder, who is based here at Steim, and he's made some crazy musical instruments, which we're going to look at now. How does this thing work?
Yeah, so it's like based on multiple frequency capacitive sensing. And I use the highest resonating frequency to control sound parameters. The positive charge on the water makes the negative charges in the air attract to the egg. Should we check out another one?
Yeah, let's do this. So what's this one? What's going on here?
It's the shroom, let me show you.
This is a collaborative piece called I Love Mushrooms. It's beautiful. Thanks, Feder. That was amazing. I best get back to my clogs. Oh, that was nice. It's nearly time to add the bells and whistles. But I've only got bells. What do you think to the clogs so far, Cosmo?
I won't lie to you, Sam. Looks like junk to me.
Oh, come on. Well, I'll get on with it then. Soldering time. Clogs everywhere. Oh, thanks. Where was I? So I've wired up the solenoids to hit this mechanism, to hit this milk can. Time to try and get his arm off. Time to put these motors into the bear. Dance, monkey, dance. Clever Clogs is nearing completion. As you can see, it is a menagerie of cloggy percussive elements. Right here, we've got a nice milk jug. We've got a shaker made from a clog. We've got a bass drum made from a clog. We got another shaker snare thing made from a clog. 2 clogs up here making nice woodblock sound. And then the piece de resistance. Ronald over here, the perfect drumming teddy bear. Let's take it for a test drive around Amsterdam. I'm in Amsterdam, on a canal, on a boat, with clever clogs. Let's take it for a spin. Clogify. You gotta get the groove right. It doesn't help that we're on a boat that wobbles around.
Clog up your mind.
Hello? Clogs. That was JunkRockTV, Amsterdam edition, starring Clever Clogs.
See you next time.